How to follow and unfollow sellers on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily follow and unfollow sellers on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device. Now, if you have not logged in with your account details, simply log in first. After that, now you need to open the shop detail or the seller detail. So simply click on any one of the item in which you are interested in. Then, below the item detail, you will see the option of shop. Simply click on the shop's name and then you will be directed to the home page. Simply click on follow option. And now, if you want to unfollow this shop, what you need to do is simply go all the way back. Once you go back to the home page, you will see the option of U icon at the bottom. Simply click on it. And then beside the browsing history, you will see the option of followed provider. Click on it and then again you will be directed to the seller's homepage. Again click on following to unfollow the seller. So that's it. That is how easily you can follow and unfollow seller on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.